Okay folks, so like we're talking, when it comes to trimming out your doors and windows, you have options. It's not that hard to accomplish. With the use of base foot blocks, plinth blocks, and rosette blocks, this is our Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods B115 3/4 by 3.5 inch in a beaded profile, and on the back it is the fluted side. So I chose to use the beaded side, and because everything is 90-degree square cut, the installation goes really smooth. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my foot block and switching out guns. And the reason I switched out the gun was going into that 3/4 inch, the edge of the jamb. I wanted to try and avoid any blowouts, nail blowouts out the face of the jamb or anything like that. Okay, so I established my reveal up at the top, and then I'm going to work it down . There you go, folks. With the use of plinth blocks, a beaded casing, it can be that quick on a beautiful decorative door and window treatment, and it's beautiful.